Yo, what up, everybody? It's your boy, Jewelz, and we're back with another unboxing and review video. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Avkans Go 4K wireless streaming camera. And I want to let y'all know Avkans did send this out to me for review. This is not a sponsored video, and I will give you guys my honest opinion of the product. So I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all a little bit about it, and then we'll go ahead and unbox it, and then we'll, plug it in and see what it looks like. So this is a 4K camera. You can plug it in or you can have it wireless. So it is an NDI camera. This is 4K ultra high def. It has a 9x zoom. So it has a 3x optical zoom and a 9x hybrid zoom. So basically a hybrid zoom is, it combines optical and digital zoom together and to achieve a wider zoom range and enhance image quality. So basically the quality is going to stay better as you magnify the zoom. So it also comes with an app, and it has 6 hours of battery life. So that's a really good battery life for a 4K camera. And it has extreme focus, and it has artificial intelligence inside. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy and see what it looks like. Wow. Okay, so this is a heavy camera. Y'all know I haven't done like many cameras. I did quite a few like webcams, and so those are a lot different than this. This is by far the best camera that I've ever done a review on. Before we get into it, you can find this on Avkan's website, avkan.com, or you can find it on Amazon. On Amazon, it's going for $350, and on their website, I think it's either $350 or $399. So I will put the links to both of those down in the description, and y'all can check it out for yourself. So, well, let me just go ahead. So before we get to the camera, it comes with a USB-C to USB-A cord. So this looks like a 3-foot cord. So that's the only thing that comes in there along with the camera. So let's go ahead and check that out. Wow. So this is what the camera looks like. This is an NDI camera, which means that it uses NDI protocol to transmit high quality video and audio data over a network, allowing for flexible and efficient video production and streaming. All right, y'all, let's take a closer look. On the side here, we have the Avkans logo. On the front here is the lens, and it comes with a magnetic camera lens cover. So it's pretty dope. It just snaps right on. That'll keep your lens from being damaged or broken. On the back here, we have the power button. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. You want to hold it for 3 seconds. You hear it beep. And then below that, you can see the indicator lights. On the front, it is right now, it is white, which is basically means it's powering up. And then below the indicator lights, you have the USB 3.0 Type C, which can do up to 4K 30 FPS. And then right below that, we have the micro HDMI out, which will do up to 4K 30 FPS as well. Below that, we have the 3.5 millimeter audio line in. And then below that, on the last spot, we have the TF card slot. So that's where you're going to put your SD card. And then as you can see, the indicator lights are now solid, so that it is ready to go. And then it is green in the front, which means it's ready. So on the bottom here, we have this is where you're going to mount to either your like your camera stand or to your tripod. So it screws right in and it locks in place. So it's pretty dope. So okay, y'all, I have it plugged in and I'm going to show y'all the video results at 4K. However, first I want to show y'all how to hook it up if you didn't already know. So if you are new to like putting a face cam in OBS, this is for you. If you already know how to do it, cool. But here's what you need to do. You need to first you have your scene, but then you need to go over to your sources and you want to hit the plus sign and you want to select a video capture device. Okay. And so I already have a video capture device, so my face cam is right here. So what I would do, I would just hit the add existing and then select face cam and then hit OK. If you don't already have one, then you would just, make a name right here, or you can keep it as video capture device, or you can put face cam or whatever, and then you just hit OK. So um I'm going to hit add existing. I'm going to go to face cam and I'm going to go to transform and then fit the screen. So this is what it looks like in 4K. Now, for y'all who might be new to the channel, I have been using a iPhone uh iPhone 12 Pro, and that's 4K. And so I've been using that, and I could notice like right away using this Avkans. This Avkans quality is by far much better than my iPhone 12 Pro that I've been using for my face cam for my live streams. So I'm definitely going to be using this for my live streams as well for my podcasts and probably for my other projects as well. But um so this, I have 4 studio lights on. They're on very dim to kind of, give a little darker feel. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn off 2 of them, and it's going to be how I usually live stream. So we'll see the quality for that in lower light. All right, y'all. Now I just have the 2 studio lights on in my game room, and I think it still looks very clean. This is how I usually live stream. And I think it's super clean. This is by far the best camera that I've used for a face cam. I don't know if y'all have noticed, but look at the wide view that it gives you. It gives you a nice, clean, wide view, and I'm just super impressed with it. Super impressed. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like in fully lit up environment so that you can see how clean it looks like that now. So let's check that out. All right, y'all. So now we're gonna go ahead and show you how to set it up on the Avkans app and how it looks like when you are using NDI. So let's go ahead and do that now. So I'm going to go into the Avkans app. I'm going to have it pulled up on the screen, what I'm showing on my phone. So now I'm going to hit add a camera, and then we're going to act as if we don't have any Wi-Fi connection to connect to, and we're just connecting via Bluetooth. So we're going to select the bottom one, and then we're going to hit next. We're going to select the camera, next. Going to take a little bit of time to connect. Now we're going to hit, you're going to see connected devices. You're going to hit that. All right. We're going to hit next. I'm going to turn off the volume on that. So you can see from the app that is on my phone and the, it being connected to the PC as well, so that you can see that there is no latency issue. There's zero latency. What you are seeing on my camera and then what you are seeing on the app is the exact same thing. So, yeah, I mean, this is by far the best camera I've ever dealt with. I think that this thing is absolutely incredible. If you want to select, if you have multiple Avkans cameras, you can hit add another camera, and that way you can select between two different views. You can also zoom in. It's got a little bit of a delay with the zoom in, but yeah, you can do this all from the app on the phone, okay? So I just zoomed in from the app. I'm going to zoom back out. All right. Zoom all the way back out to the way it was. This is absolutely insane. All right, y'all. I wanted to give you my final thoughts on the Avkans Go live streaming wireless camera. I think that this camera is absolutely a game changer. Whether it be you needing to use it for live streaming, like I plan on using it for, I'm also going to use it for my podcast, and I have some other projects that I plan on using it for. But you can also use it for if you were to do film, like if you're filming a TV show or a movie, or if you film skating or hockey or baseball, basketball, football, any of those sports or any sports out there. This is going to be a camera that you can use, and it is going to be great quality. The app was absolutely seamless. It just works. Y'all know how I am. Like, I like simple things that just work. The app just works. It's got a lot of customization within the app, and to be able to connect multiple cameras to the app and then be able to have control over those two cameras is just mind blowing. So, I think that this is something that if you need a camera for any of those, scenarios, this is going to be the one to go with. Like, I'm not being biased by any means, y'all. This absolutely blew my mind how good it was. How there was zero latency when using the NDI. And so when you're using this out and about, you're going to get great quality and zero latency. So this is going to be this is a game changer, y'all. Absolute game changer. If I can get my hands on a second one, so I can, use these in my other projects, I'm definitely going to do it because it's just too good. I mean, it is really going to be, it's going to help, like not having to switch camera views and stuff like that with my other project. I can just do it all switching just from the app. So, like I said, y'all, I'm very impressed with this. And if you want to check it out, I will put the links down in the description so y'all can check it out. Like I said, it's $350 on Amazon, or you can get it from the Avkans actual website and check it out for yourself. So if y'all thought this video was helpful and you appreciate the 4K that I'm giving y'all, since no other person out there is doing 4K video on this Avkans Go wireless camera, hit the subscribe button, y'all. It's free. Hitting the like button is free. Hitting the subscribe button is free. And yeah. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm out. Peace.